Hello and welcome. As the demand for telehealth music therapy services has skyrocketed, it can be difficult to navigate which type of video conferencing service to use for your practice. In this video, I'm going to look at some of the most common video services being used in the field and make some recommendations for the average practitioner. First, let's take a look at Skype. First of all, Skype is free to use. It has generally high video quality and is accessible in all types of devices. In the settings, you can make adjustments to your audio and video, highlighting which input or output for your microphone and your speakers. This is especially important if you're using an audio interface, like I am. One setting I recommend is making an adjustment. I recommend turning off this setting, which automatically adjusts your microphone setting to keep the program from using noise gate and echo cancellation that could cut out your live music. Some of the downsides of Skype are that you have to share an account info with your clients. This could obviously be solved by making a separate account just for work, but something to consider. And also there have been issues with the program freezing during some of your meetings. The next program we're going to look at is FaceTime. FaceTime is available on Mac and iOS devices. It is incredibly user-friendly and often has high-quality video depending on the type of connection and device being used at the time. Some of the downsides of iOS is the limited connectivity. All of the adapters that may be needed to use different types of devices and higher quality microphones and instruments. Another con of FaceTime is that there are no advanced audio settings. You have to deal with whatever audio processing the app or program is using in real time. Another con of FaceTime, just like Skype, is having to share your personal account information with your clients. And perhaps the biggest con of FaceTime is that it is only available on Mac and iOS devices. Not all of the clients and agencies you may work with have access to those kind of devices. The next program we're going to look at is Zoom. Zoom has become increasingly popular over the last few months for these specific settings. First of all, it is incredibly easy to share your screen or your audio, or sometimes both together with your clients when working on different projects. Another big pro is that there is hassle-free recording of your sessions. If you're like me, you record every single music therapy session and Zoom makes it easy to go in, record your sessions, and have the video output ready to go at the end. Another pro is sharing your meetings by links. You are not sharing your account information. You are setting up a private code and password protected meeting that can be scheduled on a weekly basis with your client. Probably the biggest pro of using Zoom is their advanced audio settings. Just like the other programs, you can set your input and output. However, you can also access some advanced settings such as stereo sound and turn off the suppressants and the echo cancellation and use your enable original sound toggle to significantly increase the quality of the music that you can share with your client. And it must be noted that access to some of those features requires a pro paid account. The very last program I'm going to go over is something a little bit different. It's called Discord. Discord is a place where you can create what's called a server, which is this private space that is only discoverable by sharing links with specific people. It makes for a very private and secure connection between you and your clients, who they can make accounts under pseudonyms or special nicknames, so their identity is not shared with anyone else who is in the server. Each server consists of either text or video channels, and in these video channels are where video sessions can occur, and they can be locked so only the administrator can give access to clients. One of the biggest downsides of Discord is that it is not very user-friendly. There's a bit of a learning curve, and some clients or caregivers may have difficulty navigating this new type of space. Outside of these programs, there are a few others that are worth mentioning, such as Microsoft Teams, GoToMeetings, Join.me, or RingCentral. However, many of these are designed for large enterprises and often come with a steep price per month per user. Well, I hope this video helps in your selection of which service to use in your music therapy practice. Best of luck. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and please subscribe for upcoming videos.